YouTube, it's Jess and I'm here with a new video. In today's video we will be doing all things challenges. So I am going to be counting my my ones and my fives challenge, and I'm also going to be stuffing my 52-week challenge as well that we're pretty behind in, and then I do have some coins for my coin jar as well. So if you're interested in watching that, please stay tuned. Alright, so I have my coin jar that I see the kids have put paper clips and random pieces of paper in. Like for kids, right? So for coins, I don't have that many, to be honest. And we currently have $7.98, and that is it for my coins. Our 52-week challenge is about a month behind, so we have some explaining and some catching up to do. All right, so we're back. So we're doing a 52-week challenge, and we're off by a couple of weeks. So I'm going to, I've been putting money aside for it, so I think that I should have enough to bring me up to date. So if you remember, you most likely don't because it's been a while, but I'm doing this challenge with my husband, so this envelope is basically doubled for us since we're each doing it. So for the next week, which would be week 8, it's supposed to be $8, but since it's both of us, it's 16. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put 16 to the side. So I have that. And now the question here is, should I put the date that it was supposed to be, or should I be putting today's date and just put today's date for all the ones I filled out? I don't know how important that is, if that makes that big of a difference. I guess it depends how technical you want to be. But the last one that I did was 7:30. So technically, the next week should have been August 6th. So I'm just going to go ahead and put August 6th. I did put the money aside. I just didn't record the video. So that's August 6th. So next week is $9 each, so that should be $18 each. So I have, okay, 15, 16, 17, 18. Perfect. So the next week was 9, so $9 each would be 18. So I have 5, 10. Ooh, I think I have too much money. Wait. 5, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's $18 for both our 9s. And that would have been the week of 8/13. So over there. Next up, it would be $10 each, so that would be a 20. So I have a 20, and that would have been the week of 8/20. What are the odds? So we have that covered, and then we have 11, so it would be 22. So I'm gonna need, let's see if I have change here. Yeah, perfect. So I'm gonna take 3 And we're gonna do 20, so 11 plus 11 is 22. So 22, 23, 24, 25. So I'm gonna take back 3, and then that means we completed that one, and that brings us to 827. We have that. And then we're doing week 12, which is $12 each. So 24. So $12 each is 24. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And that would bring us to 9.3. So that would bring us to September 3rd. So I'm pretty caught up. I usually do these on a bi-weekly basis. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the money in here. For this challenge, I'm not, since it's already tallied up, I'm just really putting the money in. I guess I can fix it. So at this point, we should have $156 in here because it's double the amount where we're at. So I've been taking the money out and putting it to the side, and then when I film this video is when you see it. Next up, I have my 5 and 1 challenge. I do have some money to put in there from the last couple of weeks since I've done this. I've been trying to be more adamant about taking out the 1s and the 5s when I get change. It's just really hard sometimes. If I don't separate it right away, then I will just add it back to my binder, and then once it's in there, I really don't want to go back in there and take it out and try to figure out whether I put that in there or whether it was change that I put back. So I'm trying to be more mindful about separating it once I get to change back from the cashier. So we have a few 1s and then 1 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have a 5. I am going to start off with the 5 since there's less 5s for sure. So for a $5 challenge, which we haven't been doing the best job at, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 in our challenge. I'm going to write that down. I said 65, correct? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So fives, I have 65. So not bad, but we should have done better. I'm sure I got more ones as changed than I've actually saved. And then for our ones, you know me, I have to fix these. Goodness. Okay. I add these to the bunch. And then let's see. So for our ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we have 50 in ones. We have 50 in ones, or 50 in ones and 65 in fives. So we have a total of $115, which is not bad for money that I would have just spent on any random little thing if you think about it. I do like the idea of the challenge, and I think that it is a great way to start saving money if you don't know where to save at all and you feel like there's no money left over in your budget. I think if you're doing if you're using cash envelopes and you get change back, just with the ones, I would start with the ones. The fives is a little harder because I feel like you can do stuff with fives, but if you get change of ones, you know, here and there, and it's not a significant amount, like $2 here and there, it's not money that you'll miss that much, but it really does add up if you put it to the side and pretend like you didn't get that change back, kind of just round up everything. That would be another way too. If you go to the grocery store and the total is like 55, like $50.50, it just round up to 51 and put that money to the side and start collecting, and you'll see it grow. You know, it'll be a little slow, it might feel that way, but after a while, once it becomes a habit and you're doing it all the time, you'll see how much money you can gain in a small amount of time. So I would highly suggest starting with at least the $1 saving challenge and just being mindful of it and trying to remind yourself to do it. I plan on this quarter being a little more diligent in putting the money to the side because I don't always do that. If you enjoyed watching, please like and leave a comment down below. I am working very hard to have a bill exchange video. I'm fighting the urge to exchange my money because I'm notorious for that. And that's it.